Like I was telling him about my hormone changes and he's like, तो did your periods come? But for some reason उस पागल ने नहीं पढ़ा कि तुम transgender हो. My breakup. Who is the new guy? Are you getting breast implants? Hi, I'm Sanat and I'm a trans girl living in India. I don't know if I'm gonna start every video like this, but every time I say this on Instagram, I go viral. So for now, that's my intro. आज मैं तुम्हारे सारे juicy questions answer करने वाली हूँ while I make momos from scratch. मैंने ये चिकन खुद अपने हाथों से grind किया है ताकि it's not too fine, not too खरदरा. I don't know how to say it. Anyways, मम्मी sheets को ऐसे बेलेंगी. Say hi, मम्मा. Hello. आज मैं वो questions answer करूँगी जो मेरे बारे में है because narcissistic. What is your dating advice for trans women in India? Honestly, I feel like dating for everyone is hard, regardless if you're transgender or not. But एक चीज़ which I wish I had learned sooner was to not take rejection personally. Because at the end of the day, the people you want in your life will not reject you. But yeah, अगर तुम किसी से hinge पे बात कर रहे हो and you have a great conversation, but for some reason उस पागल ने नहीं पढ़ा कि तुम transgender हो क्योंकि तुमने अपनी बायो में लिखा भी था, and then he says, oh, and he just unmatches with you, या फिर वो तुम्हें गाली देना शुरू कर देता है for no reason. Good riddance, bro. Like, just take it as a God sign कि the next one will be the one, and if not, the next one after that will be. The next question is about my breakup. पहले मैं बहुत confused थी कि ऐसे क्यों लोग पूछ रहे हैं which breakup. But then I realized कि I never I only posted like one picture of my past relationship and then I broke up like in the next 2 days. So my followers are really confused. So I broke up with him I think after 3 to 4 months of dating him, and it was mostly because what he did was very stupid, and it wasn't something horrible like cheating, but it was just like something that he said which was not okay. So yeah, I ended things there. अगला question पिछले question से काफ़ी related है, which is who is the new guy? I love watching your videos so much. Please show him more. First of all, thanks. The new boyfriend's actually not that new. It's been almost 6 months of us dating now. And as far as showing him goes, I'm not opposed to it, neither is he. But I'm just taking my time because I don't want my whole personality on the internet to turn into me and him. The next question is, do you get periods? No hate. So, no. If I did get periods, I would be making headlines right now because that would be a scientific miracle. But transgender women do not get periods, and I am not delusional to say that I do. And you know what's so funny? I thought this was something that everybody just knew, but once one of my cousins at a wedding was like I was telling him about my hormone changes and he's like, so did your periods come? So I guess most people don't know because they're not sensitized to it, which is really sad honestly, because at this point living in this world people should know, and I hope that like slowly and gradually society is more sensitized to all of these things to the point that at least people know the basics. सबको पूरी राम कथा पता होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, but मेन चीज़ें सिखाने में कोई हर्ज नहीं है. That is my 2 cents on that. On that note, एक मोमो तैयार हो चुका है, and अगला question है, how is Ashoka? Loved your graduation video. Thank you. I think the whole world loved it. Mom, did you love it?
Yes, I loved it.
ये क्या बेल रहे हो मम्मी? ये सर्कल है? ये सर्कल है? All in all, Ashoka is a great experience. But like any institution that has bureaucracy in it, it is gonna suck as a trans woman because मुझे लगता है कि कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी डील करनी पड़ेंगी जो तुम्हारे दोस्तों को नहीं करनी पड़ेंगी. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल जब मुझे अपनी फीमेल आरएच चाहिए थी, सो देयर वाज सो मच ऑफ इश्यूज विद दैट and confusion with that. And जब मैं पहले दिन उनसे पूछने आई थी कि will I be able to live in the female RH, they were like yeah don't worry. I was like do I have to provide any documents? They were like no it's fine. And फिर जब 10th day आया तो they were like अच्छा नहीं हमने आपको दूसरे वाले gender neutral RH में ठहरा दिया है, even though I had all the documents and I had told her 10 days in advance. And then I had to go and cry in front of the warden for her to actually tell me what to do. And she was like, can you email? And I emailed. Then she was like, okay, I'll talk to the registrar office. मैंने बोला, okay, what did you talk to the registrar office? What documents will I need? She was like, oh, I forgot to ask them that. So what I'm trying to say is कि बहुत रोना धोना पड़ा था ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए. But faculty wise, student wise, infrastructure wise, Ashoka is great. Yeah, go to Ashoka, but just know that as a trans woman or as a queer person, you will have to deal with the administration, which is a little bit of a pain in the but otherwise it's a 9 on 10. The next question is, how did you tell your parents that you're trans? Basically, I had first told her that I'm gay, and she was like, "Tu trans to nahi hai na?" एंड तब मुझे भी नहीं पता था कि मैं ट्रांसजेंडर हूँ, बट व्हेन लेटर आई रियलाइज दैट आई एम ट्रांस, मुझे थोड़ा टाइम लगा मम्मी को बताने में। मैं बड़ी सारी ना से हिंट्स ड्रॉप करती थी कि अच्छा ये त्रिनेत्रा है, ये उसका वीडियो है, एंड ये रानी है, ये उसका वीडियो है, आपको क्या लगता है इनके बारे में। एंड लाइक ऐसे धीरे धीरे ना आई काइंड ऑफ गेज्ड कि व्हाट शी थॉट अबाउट देम। धीरे धीरे मतलब अपने मम्मी पापा की पेशेंस टेस्ट करते रहो कि उनको क्या ठीक है, उनको क्या ठीक लगता है, उनको क्या ठीक नहीं लगता है। एंड जब तुम्हें लगे कि हाँ ये लिबरली है कुछ करने वाले, देन यू टेल योर पेरेंट्स। आई थिंक दैट्स माई ओनली एडवाइस, क्योंकि इफ़ यू नो दैट योर पेरेंट्स आर एक्सेप्टिंग, द मोस्ट यू कैन डू इज गेट फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट एंड देन मूव आउट, because there's no other way. I don't think you can convince parents who are going to beat you up or something. अगर तुम्हारे ऐसे पेरेंट्स हैं जो तुम्हारी बात फिर भी सुन लेंगे, या फिर वो विलिंग है तुम्हारी बात सुनने के, या फिर वो विलिंग है किसी थेरेपिस्ट के पास जाने के लिए और काउंसलर से बात करने के लिए, फिर तुम बता सकते हो। बट अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि वो तुम्हारे ऊपर फिजिकल वायलेंस करेंगे या फिर मेंटली भी तुम्हें टॉर्चर करेंगे, तो मत करो, मत बताओ। ट्राई गेटिंग वर्क, ट्राई गेटिंग फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट, एंड फिर उसके बाद जस्ट लिव योर लाइफ ऑन योर ओन टर्म्स। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डिड यू फाइंड योर लव? इज लव फॉर ऑल रियली आउट देयर? अगर तुमने मुझसे सवाल 6 महीने पहले पूछा होता तो मैं बोलती लव इज नॉट रियल, मर्द जात ही खराब है, कोई भरोसा ही नहीं है मर्द जात पे। एंड आई स्टिल फील दैट सेंटिमेंट टू सम एक्सटेंट. But this is cliche, but I think I found love when I started to like accept not everything is meant to last forever and you should live in the moment. So long story short, till the day I'm married and I have kids and till I'm 80 and we're together, till then I don't know. Because till date, the people who have said they loved me, out of those people, only 2 people have lasted for more than 2 years in my life, and those are my parents. So जब तक ये theory 25 years से ज़्यादा नहीं चलती, तब तक the answer is I don't know. The next question is, are you getting breast implants? A lot of people like to ask me this question, but I feel like I have enough. That's what matters. I can wear anything and not look. I've heard that a lot of women have to deal with thinking about if their outfit is gonna look on them, but I don't have to. So I'm happy. एक औरत बनने के बाद ही मुझे समझ आया है कि how much women don't want. Do you want bigger Summa? मुसीबत की टोकरी। तो मेरे को वो टोकरी अपने ऊपर लगाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं, जितना भगवान ने दिया है उतना काफ़ी है। एंड वी फाइनली हियर टू द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज़ आपने अपने पेरेंट्स को कैसे कन्विंस किया फॉर बॉय टू गो? आई थिंक यू मीन टू ट्रांजिशन। मेडिकली ट्रांजिशनिंग स्कैर्ड देम। मेरी मम्मी मरते दम तक एक पैरासीटामोल नहीं लेती। इस घर के अंदर दवाई सिर्फ तब लेते हैं जब आप अध मरे हो। सो फॉर हर, मी टेकिंग हार्मोन्स फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ माई लिविंग लाइफ स्कैर्ड द लिविंग आउट ऑफ हर। एज फार एज कन्विंसिंग गोज, मैं उनको एंडोक्राइनोलॉजिस्ट के पास लेके गई। फिर उसके बाद एंडोक्राइनोलॉजिस्ट ने 4 चीज़ें समझाई उनको, which made them a little less skeptical. My dad was the one asking all the good questions. My mom was asking him, ये मैंगो नहीं खाती, इसे ये हार्मोन्स कैसे लेगी? ये तो इतनी पतली है, ये हार्मोन्स लेके मर नहीं जाएगी। And so like obviously at some point I needed to put my foot down कि या तो मैं लूँगी या फिर मैं घर से जा रही हूँ, और फिर आप अपना देखना, मैं अपना देख के हार्मोन्स लूँगी। दे चुकी, ये पास्ट की बात है, पास्ट की बात है, फ्रेंड मत हो। I put my foot down that I have to take this. This is an important step for my transition, and I know कि इसके बिना मैं जी नहीं सकती. Hormones have changed my life for the better. On that note, I know you have a lot of questions about transitioning, hormones, laser hair removal, blah blah blah. आज से every week I will be releasing a video on YouTube where I'm gonna try and answer all your questions, try to give you real detail on if laser works, what type of laser you should be going for as a trans woman, if laser can actually make your hair grow even more. I will try to make detailed videos on all of these things one by one. Comment Baddie if you want to see more videos, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye. Oh shit. Momos तो दिखाई नहीं।